Food for Life Conference. Mahitungod mi sa atong kultura. It's a forum for the study of food as a cultural icon.
My expectation of the event was actually just really simple, just to learn about food, particularly our mga local food, Filipino food.
I suppose I can also just say thank you as well to the presenters for sharing their knowledge to us and to the audience as well.
Food as resistance is a show of how creative we Cebuanos are. No, we made do of what was the limitations. I believe creativity is about making do of only what you have, and within the terms of your parameters, you create something inventive.
Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, I'm going to share with you the teaching module on what's in a puso. The approach here will be demonstration on making the different puso forms. However, this is with the objective that they will be cooked, so they would have to know how to weave first before they can cook it.
No matter how it twists and how it turns. Okay?
This module is related to the goal of developing skills in technology and livelihood education, but also related to the goal of developing further the students' understanding through literature of Cebuanos and other groups where the puso and its other forms are found, their relationships, values, and cultural identity formation.
Now let's take a look at how the puso is made here at the Sitio Pusuan in Talisay City. We start with the weaving process, and this is the classic kinasing na puso. After the puso is made, it's ready to be filled with rice, and when it's filled with rice and the water has been boiling in the drum, the rest of the puso is dropped into the boiling water to be cooked for 30 minutes. Okay, now the puso is ready. Here we go. We lift it up from the water, and in a matter of minutes, when it's cooled, it's ready to eat. Voila! Puso is a cultural marker, which is why the Cultural Historical Affairs Commission of Cebu City chose it as its logo. We often eat it with roasted meat like lechon, and be it the roast pork suckling or the manok or chicken. And for more information, you are welcome to enjoy Noche Seda's Palaspas, as it has many stories to tell, and the joy of their discovery is not only fun but incomparable.
For the beginners, you lose in transition certainly. If you notice the common hanging rice sold in the market, two distinctive designs. This one is the heart shape, locally known as kinasing. And then this one, flat type, we call this binaki. Hanapin nyo ito. Kung makita nyo, parang naka
This is my first time making puso. It was a very creative experience. I really enjoyed it.
I assume it's just crisscross, easy kayo, but yeah. After like almost an hour, karon po ako nakakuan, so yeah. But I find it nice. It's very satisfying when you get it right.
And I thank you for the organizers and NCCA for this great opportunity, for letting us present and share our knowledge to the other presenters and to students, the teachers, and the rest of the audience.
Daghang salamat sa University of San Carlos, sa National Commission for Culture and the Arts, and the other institutions who have put their resources together for this meaningful, mahinungdanon nga pulong-pulong. Daghang salamat.